I created my first Cinderella. My second one is up there. It's so cute. I just love it. Smart Paper Sticker Cardstock is not the easiest thing to say, and it may not be like the easiest thing to think of when coming up with ideas for projects. So I'm gonna help you with that and give you some inspiration, so stick around. I'm using this blue and I'm using this blue to make my Cinderella. Let's get to that tutorial. I'm gonna do my little Cinderella, and I cleaned off my glass for this picture frame. It's a 4x6 inch one. I think I got this somewhere inexpensive, like TJ Maxx or dollar store or something. The little piece of paper that comes inside of your frame, save that. I don't want to use this. I'm going to use this size though to cut out of cardstock a backing to put in here. I'm going to make an insert out of glitter. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use, so I'm going to make two. I'm going to use this one and I'm going to make a silver one. And I'm going to use the insert that came inside of the picture frame. I'm going to lay it down on top of the glitter face down, the glitter cardstock face down. Now this is just regular glitter cardstock. This is not the cardstock sticker paper. And then I'm just going to cut it. Okay, so I have two options.
So whatever project you're going to put it on, whether it's a card or in a glass frame like I'm doing today, you're going to want to measure the surface or know the size of your surface. Like if you're going to do a 4x6 card, then you're going to know that your measurements for the Cinderella or princess dress is going to have to be small enough to fit on that space. So you're going to go up where it says size, and then you're going to either arrow down or go ahead and just highlight over it and type in the width. I'm going to do 4 inches because I know that I want it to be less than 3.5 inches, but after I do the folds, it's going to make it smaller. So I'm going to do 4 inches for the width. Okay, and then while you're actually in the screen to get the directions on how to put your item together, just go to the top where it has the name, so Cinderella dress, and just click on it. And then you can scroll down and read the directions of the assembly and preparation, all the steps that you'll need.
So it won't let me select the Smart Paper Sticker Paper Cardstock. I just selected medium cardstock. Okay, so this is the bottom dress part, and I think I'm going to actually leave it on there, and I'm going to place the layer that would go on top. So I will be bending the scoring marks together at the same time. Just take your time. And then this one is actually gonna go on top. So the cuts are not perfect. I'm actually gonna use my True Control knife and just kind of run it in here. Proceed with caution when using a true control knife. Okay, so now you're gonna place this on top of the dark blue. And just take your time lining it up. And this one's gonna go on around this, but I'm going to bend this part next. This is the trickiest part, bending where the scoring lines are. And I'm gonna start with the center because I know that that middle piece is supposed to pop out. Okay, so I've peeled off the next part. You're just gonna line up the bustier part. And the bustier will look like that on the front, and we're gonna move it into position where it fits perfectly. So right in the middle there. I'm going to display it in this frame. So I'm going to either put it on this for a backing or this for a backing. I think I like that. And I'm going to just flip over my frame. And I'm going to set the backing on the glass. Go ahead and put my frame back together. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my Cinderella dress on top. Now I'm not going to add a saying or anything, but I could, or you could, if you want to, lower this down or raise it up. You could add a little vinyl saying of whatever you want, like if the shoe fits, wear it. Or you could even make this for a little girl and put the little girl's name. Personalize it however you like. My first attempt I have on my Cricut Maker right here. So I'm gonna challenge you all to create your own little princess dress or whatever you want out of cardstock and add it to your maker machine or explorer machine, whatever die cutting machine that you use. I am calling a new trend. Instead of just adhesive vinyl, we're gonna shake up the crafting world. We are trendsetters. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did at any point find benefit, make sure that you give it a like. Thank you so much for joining me and have a great rest of your day. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe if you wanna join me for future crafting and tutorials. Bye and have a great rest of your day.